and welcome to this session in which I explain the IsSheet hidden function. This function will return true if the worksheet name passed over as an argument here is flagged as hidden, else it will return false. We've seen similar structure in the previous session. If we are not receiving any workbook object as an argument, the default is nothing, in which case we set the workbook to be the active workbook. We reset the function to return false. Now we ask, if not this worksheet visible property equals to visible, meaning it's hidden, then we return true. So this function just checks the visible property of the worksheet and returns true if it is hidden or false if it is not hidden. Let's test our function. Here we are checking to see if the hidden worksheet is hidden or not. First, let's take a look. We can see the hidden worksheet right here, so it is not hidden. We should receive as an answer F5 false because it is not hidden. This is it for this short session. I'll see you shortly in our next session.